I do not like to trade anything that sits around VWAP because it can't make a decision, right? But I'm just showing you an example because let's say you did get into every one. Here's your fourth trade. You got into this trade, right? So here's your fourth trade, same thing. Doesn't really do anything. You get in this one, doesn't really do anything. 5, 6. This could have been possibly up to 7 trades. It really could have, right? Unless, of course, you're like David or Eric or something that does not really sweat, this stuff out, and then you hold it the whole time. And again, though, I wouldn't blame you because the rule should be if it breaks below VWAP, get out because it could have easily, done something stupid. So I always err on the side of caution first. But what I'm trying to show you is sometimes you can get frustrated and be in these moves until it does this move, right? And then, of course, this one right here paid for your last 50 trades. You know what I mean?